Hello English 10 students, this is Miss Long, and this is the video that goes with the third session of Unit 2 on the contemporary essay. You guys have been making great progress in getting your outlines done and your topics really well explained through your drafts. And our major topic or major purpose for this session is to revise that draft that you have and publish it and share it with other people. So let me quickly walk you through our session. The first thing you're going to be doing is looking at compound sentences, and in particular how we punctuate it when we combine sentences. So you'll be looking at using semicolons, colons, and commas to combine those to combine two sentences to make a compound sentence. So in your first activity, you're going to be taking an interactive video type exercise, and then there will be a quiz that will follow up with that. So that's the beginning of it. And again, this is to teach you how to write more expressively, with greater complexity, greater engagement by having more sentence variety, and knowing how to punctuate that so that your readers can really follow your ideas. So again, you're going to use commas, semicolons, and colons as you combine sentences. The second activity is for you to get some peer feedback on your draft. Last session, you wrote your draft. Now you're going to have at least one student review your essay using this peer feedback form here. So this is a discussion. You will post your essay, then you'll find another student's essay and give that student some good feedback. So remember, try to take one person's and get that feedback to them fairly soon after you've dedicated yourself to doing that. The third thing you'll do is look at revising and revision on your own through some of the resources that are in this session. There's a video here and a little bit of just a fun explanation on evidence. Then you'll take a look at this essay revision worksheet that is here, and you will complete this worksheet as you are revising according to our rubric and our examples. As you finalize, many of you have been asking me about MLA citation. And there's basically three areas that you need to pay attention to. That's formatting the whole page, so it's things like having the headings or the page numbers and titles. There's formatting your in-text citation. That is your citation within the paragraph, like at the end of the sentence in the parentheses. And then there's formation of your works cited pages. And there's one video on each of those here and a quick overview of what that's going to look like. Most of you have used some type of MLA citation before. But this is kind of a good refresher for you. Then once you have a nicely revised, formatted essay, then you are going to share it on our class blog. So each of you will receive an invitation through Blogger to post your work on a site called What Matters to Teens. And it's a chance to share essays here and see what other people are writing as you thumb through the different essays. So you're going to share your work, get it all formatted, revised, and then you'll need to upload it for the final in Schoology as well. So you're going to post it on the blog, and then you'll submit your essay here. Now there are two optional and extra credit assignments at the end of this session. An optional journal, just like last week, you can write on the topic of your choice. And there's also an opportunity to earn extra credit by publishing your essay or submitting it for publication to some type of online magazine for teenagers or a contest or something like that. So you'll show me some evidence that you've done that, and that would be something I would honor with 15 points of extra credit. And that's basically it. That's going to wrap it up. The big push, the big highlight is getting to where you can share your essays with each other, because it doesn't matter if you can write if nobody ever sees your work. So that's kind of our goal here. Please be in touch with questions, comments, jokes, anything interesting, and have a fabulous week.